Atrial fibrillation, or Afib, is a quivering or irregular heartbeat that can lead to blood clots, stroke, heart failure, and other heart-related complications. September is Afib Awareness Month, and joining us to help raise awareness of Afib are Melanie Truehills and Dr. John Day. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Now, Dr. Day, let's start with you. Now that we know what Afib is, my question to you is, how do we treat it, and is there a way to prevent it?
Sure. Certainly starting off first with healthy lifestyle changes, and that can help for a lot of people in putting it into remission, but that doesn't always work. And when in cases it doesn't work, there are medications, and when lifestyle changes and medications don't work, we have a new procedure called a catheter ablation procedure. And that's where we go into the heart and fix the area that's misfiring. And how do we do it? We have a new three-dimensional mapping system. The one I personally like is the one from Abbott, the Insight Precision Mapping System. And if you will, it creates a three-dimensional map of the heart, a GPS-like system, so we can see exactly where the heart is misfiring and treat that area.
Now, Melanie, this is a topic that's very close to your heart, no pun intended. Tell us about your experience with Afib and how someone is usually diagnosed.
Well, I had basically skipped beats, shortness of breath, dizziness, and I felt like I had a fish flopping around in my chest. And fortunately, I was able to have this diagnosed as atrial fibrillation, which I'd never heard of, and I had blood clots and a close call with a stroke. So that motivated me to help others find their solution. I couldn't just stand on the sidelines and watch other people suffer. So I started StopAfib.org, a nonprofit organization, to raise awareness of Afib and to help those living with it to get their lives back.
Why is getting the word out this September so important?
Well, we created September as National Atrial Fibrillation Awareness Month in order to raise awareness of this condition so that we could get people diagnosed and treated before they have a stroke.
And for those that are interested, where can someone go to learn more about Afib and options available to them?
I think probably the most important thing is if you're having symptoms to let your doctor know so that you can get diagnosed. And to learn more, Melanie has a great website that she has.
It's StopAfib.org. Also, we collaborate with the American Heart Association on myafibexperience.org.
Melanie Truehills and Dr. John Day, thank you both so much for bringing attention to this very important topic, and thank you for joining us on Coffee with America.
Thank you.
Thank you.